You probably think you know everything about Tesla. It's fast, it's electric, and it has a massive screen. But hiding inside this computer on wheels are features so advanced, so unexpected, that even longtime Tesla owners don't know they exist. Today, I'm revealing 5 of them, and I promise, by the time we get to number 1, you'll never look at a car the same way again. Let's go! Feature number 5, dog mode and camp mode. Let's start with something every pet owner and road tripper needs to hear. Have you ever needed to leave your dog in the car for 5 minutes? In a regular car, the temperature spikes dangerously fast. In a Tesla, you switch on dog mode. The AC keeps running, the temperature stays perfect, and the giant touchscreen displays a message for anyone walking by. My owner will be back soon. The AC is on. No panic, strangers. No broken windows. Just a happy dog. And if you love the outdoors, camp mode takes it further. Fold the seats flat, set your perfect temperature, and the car maintains it silently all night long. No engine idling, no fumes, just you, the stars, and a climate-controlled cabin. It's a tent you can drive. Feature number 4, Sentry mode and megaphone. Now let's talk about what happens when you aren't in the car. Park your Tesla and walk away. The moment someone gets too close, something quietly wakes up. This is Sentry mode. Hidden cameras activate and record everything around the car in 360 degrees. Every angle, every face, every license plate, saved automatically. But here's where it gets wild. On newer Teslas, there's a speaker built into the exterior. If you spot someone suspicious near your car through the phone app, you can press a button and speak directly to them, your voice booming out of the car like a megaphone. You're sitting inside a coffee shop, and your car is doing the talking. Try explaining that to someone who just tried to key your door. Feature number 3, Easter eggs and hidden games. Tesla's engineers clearly have a sense of humor, because buried inside the software are secret features that have nothing to do with driving. Sitting in a parking lot waiting for someone? Connect your steering wheel to an actual racing game on the screen. Your wheel becomes the controller. Your pedals work too. On a date? Activate romance mode. The screen transforms into a crackling fireplace, soft music begins to play, and the heated seats switch on automatically. It sounds ridiculous. It absolutely works. These Easter eggs aren't just fun. They're a reminder that you're driving something built by people who genuinely enjoyed building it. Feature number 2, bioweapon defense mode. Now we start getting serious. This one sounds like something out of a military briefing, because it kind of is. Hidden beneath the hood of certain Tesla models is a medical-grade HEPA filtration system, the same level of filtration used in hospitals. When you activate bioweapon defense mode, the cabin is positively pressurized, exactly like the cockpit of a commercial aircraft. Outside air is filtered before a single molecule reaches you. Bacteria, viruses, wildfire smoke, industrial pollution stopped at the door. During the California wildfires, Tesla owners reported sitting in crystal clean air while the world outside turned orange. It's not marketing. It's a literal air purification system built into a car. And most people drive right past it in the menu without ever touching it. Feature number 1, Smart Summit. You've just finished grocery shopping. It's pouring rain. Your car is parked at the far end of the lot. In any other car, you're soaked by the time you get there. With a Tesla, you open the app, press Come to Me, and watch. Your car turns on. It reverses out of its spot on its own. It reads the lane, avoids other cars, corrects its steering, and drives, with no one inside, directly to where you are standing. You hold out your hand. It stops at your feet. No remote control, no pre-programmed route. Just your Tesla navigating a real parking lot, in real time, coming to find you. If you show this to someone who's never seen it before, they will not believe it's real. That's 5 features most people walk right past every day. From a car that protects your dog to one that navigates a parking lot solo. Tesla is doing things that the rest of the industry is still catching up to. So tell me, which of these 5 genuinely surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments, because I read every single one. And if you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. There's a lot more where this came from. See you in the next one.